everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look here with this palette here. This is the Amrezy palette. If you want to see how to get this look, keep watching. Alright, let's get the shindig started. What am I doing? Yas! Alright, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is not be able to locate my primer. It's right in front of my face. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is prime. I've already washed and moisturized. As you can tell, sometimes my skin gets a little sick of me and just gets cracked out. But anyway, I'm going to use this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I heard a lot of good things about this. I've used it a few times and it's okay. I mean, it's not my favorite, but at this point I'm not even really sure what my favorite is. I've tried so many, which I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Okay, so I'm going to let that sit there for a second. And what foundation do I want to use? Alright, I think I'm going to mix this Tarte Amazonian Clay. It's my favorite foundation right now. It's a little too dark for me though, so I'm going to mix that. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand. And let's see, I'm going to mix it with the Born This Way Too Faced foundation. This is in the color Cloud. So, I don't think it's the lightest shade, but it's maybe the second lightest shade. Alright. So I'm just going to mix that together on the back of my hand. Alright, I'm just going to take this BoxyCharm brush. I love using this for applying my foundation. Okay, now I have my foundation mixed in. I'm going to go ahead and use my Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the color Fair. Put it under my eyes. Alright, so I'm just going to take this Morphe sponge and blend the foundation or concealer in. I can't talk. I just woke up about 20 minutes ago. Hence the hair. You know, I love how some women look so incredibly cute when they put a bun on top of their head and their hair's all cute. Not me. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, now that I got my foundation and concealer on, I'm going to set that with this Pretty Vulgar. This is the Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to dip my sponge right in. I always start off on my cheeks because I don't like to put a whole lot of powder underneath my eyes because it really, I feel, accentuates all the lines. It makes it kind of creasy and I don't like that. It's not a good look for anybody. Okay, I'm going to bronze up my face. I'm going to be using this Wander Beauty Trip for Two palette. I got this in my January BoxyCharm, which I am going to do a video on that, but I don't know if this video is going to go up first or if that one. So anyway, it's just this cute little palette from Wander Beauty, and it's got this blush, and then this is the bronzer, and it's in the shade, let's see, Costa Ray, and the blush is in the Bellini color, so I'm going to use this today. I've used it a few times already after I filmed my BoxyCharm video, so I just haven't put the video up yet. So I'm going to take this Moda brush, and this is the one I always use for bronzing. I really like this bronzer because it is not very dark, and so if you're fair complected like I am, it just really looks great. It gives you just the right amount of color. And it's not too dark. Alright, since I got my bronzer on, I'm just going to go ahead, since I got this palette out, and use this Bellini shade blush, which is just a perfect pink color. Okay, today before I do my eyes, I want to go ahead and do my brows because they're annoying me. And I'm just going to put them on real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Brows are on. I just want to take a moment and tell you guys what I use. Just like an eyeshadow, like a cool tone brown. And then, of course, I also use the Anastasia brow definer that I really like. But I got this in, let's see, I think it was December's BoxyCharm. And it is the Brow Bar by, I believe it's Rima. I can't see, it's really small and I'm old. So, anyway, it's in this little gold case. And you open it up and you've got your brush here, and then you've got a clear brow gel, and then you've got 3 different shades here. This one's, of course, more like a concealer, and it's in a cream formula. Here are perfect if you have lighter brows and you don't want to use a dark color. So that's what I used on my brows today, and they're perfect for me because I'm very fair, and this is really easy to travel with too. So just want to point that out. Just something different to use. Little side note. Let's get started on the eyes. So as you already know, I'm going to be using my Amrezy palette again. I'm thinking about doing a series on my channel that's going to be like one palette, 1 week, because a lot of times I see these new palettes come out and I see one look with them, and then you never hear about them again. It's like on to the next, on to the new. I don't feel the need to have, I mean, I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. I really don't want anymore right now. Like I have every color you could ever imagine. I bought this one just because I thought it was beautiful, and I like Amrezy. So if you watched my last video, you already know that. But anyway, I was thinking about doing, like I said, a little series, and then what I want to do is to start uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And for those of you who don't know, I'm a 911 dispatcher, and we work 7 days on, 12-hour shifts, and then we get 7 days off. So in that 7 days off, I can work on my YouTube channel. In the past, I haven't uploaded as much as I wanted to because I get sick a lot. Thanks, leukemia, it's great. But I'm feeling better. I'm feeling stronger. Trying to take better care of myself. Eat healthier. Minus the male yellow, because I can't quit everything, people. I'll go nuts. So anyway, that is just what I was thinking. Instead of doing just one look from a palette and then you never really hear about it again, I'm going to do maybe a week's worth, like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday video. Or it'd be even better if I could get to where I could upload 5 days a week, but I don't want to make any promises on that, because the reason why I came out with this idea, first of all, I don't like seeing the palette one time and then I never see any other looks. And these palettes have enough shades in them that you can, you can come up with several looks. Even more than several, actually. So anyway, y'all let me know in the comments below if you think that's a good idea. If you would like to see, one palette for 1 week. I could do, this one week. And, I've got like some Morphe, some Makeup Geek, a couple more Anastasia. I've got so many colors I could use. Anyway, enough on that. Let me know what you think. We'll discuss. Let's move on. So, again, I'm going to use the Amrezy palette today because I've already used it once, but there's some colors in here that I want to try out, so let's do this. Alright, so I'm thinking this time that I definitely want to use this blue color because I just love it so much. This is probably not something you could wear every day, or you could if you wanted to, but I know a lot of people don't like wearing bright colors to work, or, and if bright colors aren't your thing, you can do another lid color instead of it, because I'm going to use it on my lid. First thing I'm going to do is take this color here called OG and start blending that in the crease. These colors are very pigmented, and I keep forgetting that, and I have a bad habit of really just digging my brush in. Some palettes you can do that with, but some palettes you can't. Alright, going in on this side. I took a little bit less color, so we'll see. You can't go so hard first time. That's what she said. Alright, I got that first crease color down. Now I'm going to go in with this Luxie brush. It's a little bit of a smaller blending brush. And I'm going to go into this color right here called Yugo. Alright, this color I'm just going to stamp on the outside, the outer V. Kind of blend it up when most of it's off the brush. Because I like that angled kind of cat eye look. It kind of lifts your eyes up. Beat that brush. La la la. Okay, I wasn't going to, but I'm going to take what's left of the brush. I'm just going to go all the way over in my inner corner area, just in the crease, just to give it a little bit more depth. Okay, now I'm going to take this tiny, it's also a Luxie brush, just a real small, it's kind of got a little angle on it. I'm going to go in this color here called Wasted. It's the lightest shade in the palette. I'm just going to run this under my brow, just there at my brow bone, just to highlight it a little bit. I don't want a real bright shimmery highlighter. This does have a shimmer to it, but it's really, really light. So, okay, so now again, this eye look, you could wear it like this, or I'm going to put the blue on my lid. If blue's not your color, just pick whatever other color you want, because I've got the outer V and the crease done. So, just pop a little color on the center and you're done. Okay, so I'm going to take this Luxie, it's the Precision Crease Brush, but it's nice and flat. So I'm going to just dip that into that beautiful blue color. And the name of this color is Leo. And you know I'm a Leo, so I appreciate it. I'm feeling it. Woo! Yes, with the pigmentation. Cloud. Alright, so I've got the blue on. I'm really feeling it. I'm going to go in with a small shader brush. This is M506 Morphe. I'm going to go back into that color Yugo. And I'm just going to blend here where the two colors meet. Just so it's not like a harsh line, it's like a gradient fade. Now I've got the blue on and I've got a little bit more of a color so it blends there. I'm feeling it. I love this color. I am going to actually do I'm going to do a couple of wings. I'm going to do a gel liner today. I'm using this Pretty Vulgar. My favorite gel liner of all time. Love it. I'm going to take it on this Aesthetica, just an angled brush. Angled liner brush. Okay, so I've got my wing liner on. Okay, now that I got the top of my lids done, I'm going to go ahead and do a little stuff underneath here and get it all ready. Okay, the first thing I'm going to to use is just this really small flat brush. You go. Just dip that in there. Go in with this Morphe just really small dome brush, and I'm going to go into the color OG, which is the first one I use in the crease. Just going to go over that lightly just to blend it out some. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to do some of that blue on the bottom. And I'm just taking this, let's see, it's another Luxie brush. This is the small shader. You can see it's kind of flat. Just going to dip it right into that Leo color. Okay, now I got the shadows on the bottom. I'm going to go in with my gel liner again and just lightly put that on the waterline. Okay, now I just need some mascara. Y'all know the drill. I don't wear falsies, so I'm going to curl my lashes and be back. Okay, I know I said I was going to curl my lashes and be back, but I went ahead and put my mascara on. I'm using this Grand Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. This came in my January BoxyCharm. I do have a BoxyCharm video. I don't know if it's going to go up before this one, but I really like this mascara so far. Okay, so since my eyes are so bright, I'm going to go really neutral on my lips. I'm going to go in with this Bare Minerals liquid lipstick in the color Slay. It's just a nice nude pink. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll be back soon. Have a great day. Oh Lord! Get off me, you mother... Them little wintertime lady, whatever they are, they suck. Flying all around here like you gonna do something. Ooh! Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look, and I'm also, oh for fuck's sake. Mamacella. First of all, beep, 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 beep.